Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike and this is Triple T Acres. Today's video, we're going to be going over a DIY pond aeration cabinet that anybody could do. All the materials were bought at Menards. Stick around because you're not going to want to miss it. All right guys, this is the cabinet. Pretty basic. It is a heavy duty tote that I got from Menards. Super cheap. Some of the modifications I made to it are here on the side. You'll see that I have a vent here. This is actually my exit port. It is just a shower floor drain. PVC, made out of PVC. It was only a few dollars. Drilled a hole in the side here to allow the aerator hose to come out. I also cut a groove to allow the wires to come through there, which is fed into my outlet that I have up here. Here on the other side, I have another port. Same concept. This is my inlet, and it's another floor drain. All I did was, here I'll show you, I used a drill bit and I drilled out the lines all the way around the side, tracing this first with a permanent marker, and then drilled holes and then cut it out with a utility knife. Made an easy circle, traced it, no problem. Anyways, I'll show you what's on the inside here. Just pop these latches and you have the pump. So if you want to know some more information about the pump, look at my previous video. I give a detailed walk around over what I have here and what I actually paid for it. But I purchased a cooling fan. So what happens is this port here sucks air in across this and it comes out the side. Keeps the motor cool. If you don't do this, it could get too hot and melt some of your seals, but super important to do that. Anyways, really cheap setup. The description is going to have all the links to all the supplies that I used here. Super easy, anybody can do it. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video for the day. I hope that this helped you, because I couldn't find anything online to make a DIY cabinet. Everything I find online that's all pre-manufactured is super expensive. This is cheap. I think I got $8 in the tote. I think those vents were, or I should say drains were, I think around $2 a piece. The fan that I have in there was about $13 on Amazon. And yeah, that's really it. So I'll put a link in the description of all of the supplies that you need. If you have any questions about how to do it, feel free to put them in the comments. But more importantly, I would love it if you would smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps a guy like me out to get the algorithm to show more people my content. I'm hoping that it helps people because I've been helped out a lot on YouTube. So thanks again. Stick around for more videos in the future. Take care.